How are things going, fellas? I hope you're having a good time so far this weekend. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency values have fallen in recent days, wiping out around $300 billion from the whole crypto market. The Bitcoin price has plummeted to about $51,000 per Bitcoin, a loss of nearly 30%, after trading above $69,000 2 weeks ago. As a result of the latest move lower, other notable cryptocurrencies such as ETHEREUM, Binance's BNB, Solana, Cardano, and Ripple's XRP have all dropped about 10% in the last 24 hours. The current price of XRP is 84 cents, according to CoinMarketCap.com. With a price reduction of 8.08% in the last 24 hours, we are now in the red zone. The dramatic drop in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices, which has coincided with some substantial stock market drops, comes after renowned investor Louis Navellier warned that the much-anticipated Federal Reserve tapering might pop the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency bubble. With that out of the way, let's get into today's video with that lovely intro. If you look across the board, all cryptos are currently in the red, with a decline of more than 30%. Even cryptos that were considered to be immune to such a large dump are capable of doing so. We even saw XRP at 69 cents a few days ago. The majority of people have been disappointed that they didn't acquire perfect entry points into the market. This, I believe, was the ideal time to do so. I realize this caught a lot of people off guard, but it shouldn't bother you in the least. Do you have any idea why? What happens now that the bull market has been confirmed? Before the end of the year, the altcoin season will be revealed. If you've been watching our videos closely, you'll notice that we've mentioned the potential 70% correction multiple times. Well, I'm sorry to inform you that this is still not the case. You will understand when this correction occurs since it will affect everyone in the crypto industry. Sorry to shatter your bubble, but what we're seeing right now isn't even a wind fort. Navellier even predicted that the Bitcoin price will go below $10,000 per Bitcoin, a drop of more than 80% from last month's all-time high of almost $70,000. The price of Bitcoin has dropped in the past, but bullish Bitcoin and crypto investors anticipate it will grow considerably in the future years. Another whale has recently seen the potential of XRP and is currently attempting to profit from its price volatility. As I previously stated, this coin is intended to be the greatest of all time, and most whales are stocking up on as much XRP as they can, if they haven't already, while they wait for this coin to rocket to the moon, which it will. Yes, you read that correctly. This coin has the potential to make a difference in both the crypto and fiat worlds by serving as a link between the two. Now, one whale who had accumulated over 60 million XRP has transferred them to exchanges, indicating that XRP is on its way to the moon. Or, if it's not to make a profit, why would such a whale sell its crypto? XRP has long struggled to get beyond the $1 barrier, but it has now succeeded. All of this occurred during the course of the lawsuit. Consider what would happen if the case were to be dropped and XRP had unlimited time to grow bullish. In the sector, there will be a new trend of the future crypto billionaires. We must all realize that whales only transfer their money if they want to profit from it. And that's exactly what's going on here. The whale is waiting for XRP to reach 2 digits or even higher in order to profit from this move. Have you bought XRP yet? Or are you waiting for the rest of the world to believe in it? Many banks throughout the world are currently using RippleNet. Thus they will be able to use XRP once regulatory clarity is achieved, as Crypto Wolf stated in this tweet. This is about to happen. And once it happens, this coin will be unstoppable. If you believe XRP is already powerful, just wait to see what happens once regulatory clarity is established. We weren't expecting laws to be imposed on the crypto sector so soon, but better late than never. Ripple, in my opinion, should be exempt from this regulatory clarity. Why? Take a look at how the SEC has harmed Ripple's XRP adoption. They may not realize it, but they've slowed down the roadmap for XRP to achieve even greater heights in order to prove a point, even if they aren't found guilty of selling unregistered securities. I believe they are entitled to compensate for their losses. XRP has always followed the rules, and I don't understand why the SEC would assume they have something to hide. While you may be negative on XRP, the market has done nothing but crash. As a result, the market has screened out all over leveraged long positions, and now that the market is too scared, XRP and other utility tokens are poised to begin their ascent into December. Are we already in a bear market? Did XRP miss the bull market in 2021? Was the SEC successful in its goal of suppressing XRP so that it would not participate in the 2021 bull run? Is this just another attempt to get rid of you? I'll tell you something. I'm going to purchase XRP all the way down to zero. XRP is the standard for all the money. However, BTC produced its strongest bearish candle since May, and this is not the end. Let's have a look at how. The price is currently trading at the 50 MA and the 2021 bullrun's trendline support. If the price can hold this support and retake 53K by candle close, we may be able to challenge 60K and even the ETH once more. Furthermore, ETH is still a powerful currency, and, in the worst case scenario, if the 50 MA is broken before the weekly close and BTC tries to sink again, it's quite likely that we'll test 32K, 28K, the first significant support, and even around 20K. As a result, the following few days will be crucial in determining how the market reacts. Guys, trade with caution. Please bear in mind that we are not financial counselors with a license. All of the videos on this channel are solely for amusement. Let us know what you think in the comments box below, and we'll have a discussion about it. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe using the links below. Turn on alerts to be notified whenever we publish new great stuff. In the following video, we'll see you.